definitely is a show loaded with some great actors. So, do you all think that great casting or good content, between the two, what makes a show a success?
Great content.
She's right, but it has to be a marriage of two. Because if you have great content and you've casted because you took a star and you zabarasti forced them into that project, it always is like, यार वो film अच्छी थी but actor ने थोड़ा वो मजा नहीं आया.
Can you all take us through the process of casting? What exactly happens? Have you all had some of the most weirdest casting auditions?
When you come into the industry, you're told two things: go to an agency and meet an agent, and then the agent takes you on saying, यार तुम जितने भी पैसे कमाओगे उसका 15% से 30% तक we'll take, depending on which agency you are with.
30%.
Yeah.
Money is everything in this business. Money is everything in this business. So you can give 1,000 good performances and people will say, यार क्या actor है, क्या अच्छा काम करता है, versatile है, ये भी करता है, वो भी करता है.
Hi, this is Neha Sharma,
Hi, this is Akshay Oberoi.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. My name is Urmin. Definitely, मुझे लगता है कि ये जो कोर्टरूम ड्रामा है is the flavor of the season. आज मेरे साथ दो कमाल के लॉयर्स हैं और पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं मुजरिम के यूनिफॉर्म में आई हूँ. I just realized it.
You look lovely.
How are you all doing, Neha Sharma and Akshay Oberoi?
Very,
Very
well,
good,
thank you,
very
Urmin.
good.
So good to see you all and congratulations. Season 3 of Illegal. मतलब बात तो है.
Yeah. Season 3 कितने shows पहुंचते हैं season 3 तक?
कितने shows पहुंचते हैं ये. How do you all feel, you know, पहला season जब आता है, did you all like have these thoughts कि पता नहीं second season आएगा नहीं आएगा? What were your thoughts, Neha?
Yeah, जब पहला season किया था, we were not thinking about the second season. We were concentrating on the पहला season because for me, यार, I felt it was a great opportunity. A script which was so meaty for women, that's generally not happening
Right.
around. Far and few, very few scripts. So for me, that was an amazing feeling. But then second season happened, and then third season happened. So yeah, we are only grateful.
Akshay, what?
I start everything Urman thinking कि इसका second season बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. That's just I start every show that way, and then अगर आता है I'm like, oh wow, देखो आ गया. So you know it's a very difficult. I don't know how many shows, as I said earlier, get to this third season kind of thing. Things just don't work. I think we're not finding the right rhythm with the audience, unfortunately, in this space. But I'm so glad that we're part of a show that has connected with a certain target of an audience. But we need more shows to
Yeah.
do well. Yeah, we need more shows to go to 5th season, 6th season, like the West has.
Yeah.
And it'll get there.
I think the fact that OTT has its own way of, you know, dealing with the audience and keeping it so surprising, you know, मुझे लगता है कि that it's so difficult to figure out what is the recipe
hard.
to it. I want to ask you all this question because this definitely is a show loaded with some great actors. So do you all think that great casting or good content, between the two, what makes a show a success?
Great content.
She's right, but it has to be a marriage of two. Because if you have great content and you've casted because you took a star and you zabarasti forced them into that project, it always is like, यार वो film अच्छी थी but actor ने थोड़ा वो मजा नहीं आया. And that has happened. Now I don't need to give examples of stuff people know.
But a million times that has happened, and then people get used to it. Actually, they're like, चलो यही मिल रहा है तो यही देख लेते हैं.
Correct.
But we should probably then based on that stop taking the audience for granted and make good content and cast it appropriately.
Correct.
Maybe that's what we should learn from this.
No, I hope that changes the way casting happens. So it's not the audience's problem. उनको
No,
जो
I'm saying
मिलेगा
not
वो
at
बेचारे
all,
देख ही
yeah.
लेंगे. But
No, it's not the audience problem. It's our problem, 100%.
But I think for people who are not from the industry and who are just your fans, can you all take us through the process of casting? What exactly happens? Have you all had some of the most weirdest casting auditions, Neha?
see, I'll tell you how this works. When you're a nobody, then when you come into the industry, you're told two things: go to an agency and meet an agent, and then the agent takes you on saying, यार तुम जितने भी पैसे कमाओगे उसका 15% से 30% तक we'll take, depending on which agency you are with.
30%.
Yeah. So we'll take that much out of whatever you make. Now we will tell you that these are the 5, 6, 7 casting directors. You have to go meet them And then when they feel you're right to audition for a part, then you will get notified that ye audition ho rahi hai, you have to go audition. So even getting an audition itself is a tough bit. Then you go for those auditions, and then of course you know the rest, right? Where this one's auditioning, that one's auditioning, this one's being favored, that one's being favored, aap kisko jante hain, aap kisko nahi jante. So all of that happens, and then there are people who get really lucky and get that break. So for a newcomer, the struggle begins after you get that break, and of course before जो जब तक वो नहीं मिलता है, and then कि यार पहला मिल भी गया तो अभी second कैसे करें? Because you have to go back to the same process all over again to get your second, get your third. Unless you're really lucky and you've arrived and everybody wants you because you've hit a certain 100 crore number or something, then the game changes. But for the others, it's still the same same thing.
Akshay,
I don't know if
I think
Sure,
Neha
had
ने
a
सब बोल
different-
दिया. I don't have anything. I mean, when you, I guess I'll answer the other part of your question about weird auditions.
हाँ.
मेरे साथ तो कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं. I think also see, humans are very intelligent. We can totally tell when someone's fake or what they've come for or what it is. So I don't think I've ever put out a vibe other than I'm here to work. So no one is even taken that advantage of me. It's what you put out to the universe you receive. So
But sorry, don't you think that in the industry you have to be partly fake?
no, not me. I've survived by saying the truth at all times.
Yeah?
Now that's why maybe I haven't arrived where I wanted to earlier.
Absolutely.
But because I am who I am and I show up authentically every single day the way that I am.
You're not very likable. I'm not talking about you, everyone. Who's not ready to be fake.
If
is
you're not ready to
very
be fake, you're not
likable.
likable. And I'm okay with that. And I've
Yeah.
always been okay with that. Because I know that I work very hard. I don't have any tantrums. I don't create any mess for anybody. But I will stand for the things I want to stand for, which is I'm here to act. I'm not here to do anything else. So when you put out that vibe, that's a very honest, authentic vibe. So people also receive it that way. And they don't mess with you. Put it short, I've never had a casting couch experience, and I've given maybe 1,000 auditions in this city. Maybe more I've given. Yeah.
Has life changed after Fighter?
Yes, Urman, very much, and you know it. You know it.
How?
I'll tell you how. Money is everything in this business. Money is everything in this business. So you can give 1,000 good performances, and people will say, "यार क्या actor है, क्या अच्छा काम करता है, versatile है, ये भी करता है, वो भी करता है." But ठीक है, you're just there. When you give a film that people watch, then suddenly people notice and they say, उसको बुलाओ जो actor उस film में था.
When you mean money, you mean box office.
No,
Akshay.
sorry. Yes, absolutely.
I'm like, what is this statement?
Oh,
Money
sorry.
is everything.
Sorry, I don't. Let me clarify that. Money is everything in terms of
Box office.
box office
success.
receipts. So
Connection,
it's an art made for commerce. Dhanda hai. We call it an industry. I mean, look at that. It's an art form, but what do we call it? हम लोग industry में काम करते हैं.
जी.
What does industry imply? Capitalism. What is capitalism? Money. So if the film is not performing, but आपकी तारीफ हो रही है, it only goes a certain. Maybe it gives you goodwill.
Correct.
Maybe people recognize you as he's a talented actor. It doesn't open doors. When the film makes money, it opens multiple doors.
नेहा, आपका जो किरदार है in Illegal is very sweetly said as the mad lawyer.
I don't know who came up with that.
I don't know
but
who
yes.
came up with that.
Yeah,
but
It's
that's
a
stuck,
tag
yeah.
that we've stuck to. Every time I hear it, I'm like, mad lawyer.
And she's extremely passionate about
Yes.
everything she wants to do. We
Yes.
see the trailer of Illegal 3 and you are again fighting to be the top lawyer, of course. What are you most passionate about apart from acting?
In life?
Yeah.
That's a very loaded question. But right now, yeah, I feel like I value the little things more, and I'm happy doing that, which is spending time with family. Especially post COVID, I feel like that's changed for me. That dynamic has changed for me. Earlier, I was like, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to travel so much, I have to blah, 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 a lot of goals. But now the one important goal in my life is to spend time with the people that I love so much more. And I feel like that brings me a lot of, whether it's sitting at my mom and dad's house and having a little ghar ka khana,
Yeah.
or spending time with my family. Lately, we've got 2 new additions to the family. I have a niece and a nephew. So, that's become a lot of my life. So I feel like right now I have which looks like a retired life, but it's not, is spending a lot more time with my family.
You mentioned at the beginning of the interview that it's so important to write the right kind of roles for women
yes.
in today's day and age. Do you see that changing?
Yes.
And-
Absolutely. There's so much. When we did Illegal season 1, there were not so many. There were far and few, and only the Dala creme would get that part. So now I feel that so many roles like Crew came, so many other films with women playing pivotal parts, and they're getting finally roles where you can sink your teeth in and do something. There are so many being made now. So yes, we are living in great times.
So, but when the seasons change, like there's season 1, 2 and 3, बीच में जो gaps होते हैं, and you all get back to shooting, how do you all go back to the kirdar? Do you all have to like watch your seasons pehle to figure out अच्छा ये role था, ये मेरा character था?
I don't know. I'll not say that I have an elephant's memory, but yeah, somehow it feels fresh.
Yes.
It feels like yesterday to kiya tha. Although sometimes it's been like a year and a half, but it just feels like, oh, we were shooting this yesterday and we're back again. So I don't know. It's just, I think, a feeling when you're on set.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh, it starts from where you left and
Yeah.
you begin from where you left.
I think if you invested in a character and you've done the homework and you've prepared for it and you've worked with those actors, it's like muscle memory. You just hit right back to that human being that you had played earlier.
Yeah.
I think it's very exciting. It's always fresh to see a new season.
Oh, totally.
To get back to
Yeah.
what you enjoyed and hopefully not have a cliffhanger at the end.
I don't know.
I don't know
Did he
about
have
that.
this season?
I
I have
don't know
no
about that.
idea.
I don't know about that.
मतलब
मतलब हो सकता है. But also it's really fun as actors because you get to work on a part and you really get to flesh it out because
Yeah.
you've worked on it for 3 seasons. That
Yeah.
means 3 years or over 6 years that you shot it. So by the time the 3rd season comes, you really get to know that character like it's a friend. You understand the character very well.
Hi, this is Neha Sharma,
Hi, it's Akshay Oberoi.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.